So in case you're wondering what that noise was, it's the tensioner pulley. This is a 2007 Nissan Titan with a 5.6 V8 engine. And I'm going to be replacing that pulley right there. The tensioner is right there below the belt. And I'm going to show you how to replace it. Okay, so you're going to want to put your 14mm on there and turn it as if you're pushing it towards the battery. So after you take it off from the water pump right there, you're going to need to push the tensioner back down again and then take it off from the power steering over here. Now I can't get a good angle, so I can't show you exactly how I'm doing it. I keep knocking the camera over. So I'm going to go ahead and push the tensioner on down, pull it out from the power steering pump, and then I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. Okay, so hopefully you can see that where I've got the belt off now. You might have to twist the belt just slightly because it hits the AC hose right there, so you might have to twist it just slightly to get it off. But now the belt is down there, and you can go ahead and remove your socket and your ratchet from the pulley. So now you can start working on getting the actual pulley bolts out. So now I'm going to be using a 3/8 ratchet with a little 2 or 3 inch extension and a 12mm socket to get to it. Okay, so there's 3 bolts hanging on to the tensioner. One is, it's right below the coolant line right there. You'll see it whenever you look in there, but you can see my socket's going to it right now. Okay, I got that one loose. I'm going to go down to this lower one. Okay, so there's one more directly underneath the pulley just to the right. You can put your hand underneath it and feel it, but you'll need to get the ratchet down there and go ahead and loosen it up also. Turning the bolt out by hand. Okay, I got it out. And you can see here's the bolt right there. Go ahead and take the next one out on the other side. Okay, that one's loose. And I'll take out the third one that was underneath. Now you can see the pulley's loose. You'll have to hang on to it to keep it from falling. Now I'm going to grab the bolt. I got my hand pressed up against it, and then I'm pulling the pulley out. So I'm bringing the pulley just straight up, right by where the reservoir is for your power steering. I'm just setting it down right there. And you can see how I've still got the socket and the bolt in my hand. But just in case you don't know or you couldn't see it, these are the 2 bolts that you can see from the top, and then the third one is right there, so you're looking at it like this from the top side. Alright, so now compare your new one and your old one. Make sure that everything looks correct on it, which they do. And then you can also spin this one until it's making noise compared to that, so you don't hear anything with that one. This one's making all that racket whenever it was running. Alright, now let's just go ahead and reinstall the new one. Alright, so just take a single bolt and take your new pulley. Set your pulley down in there. Okay, so just put it back into position close to where it's supposed to go, right there, and go ahead and put a bolt in it. Alright, I got a bolt started on the top side. Now I'm going to reach down here, get a bolt in the second hole. Last but not least, I'm going to put the third one down in there. You should be able to turn this in by hand. Okay, once you have it in as far as you can go by hand, go ahead and get your extension and turn it in some more. Once all 3 is snug with your hand, go ahead and take your ratchet and snug them up. Look up your torque specs on your particular one to see what it's supposed to be and take a torque wrench to it. Okay, so now the hard part, getting the belt back on. So you want to just route the belt the way that it came off and just use your ratchet to turn on the tensioner until you get your belt back on. You want to make sure that you pay attention to where you take the belt off. I'm going to kind of go over it right here with you so that you can kind of see. If you see the alternator's down at the bottom, and the belt is coming around the alternator and coming up around the tensioner pulley. From the left side there, the power steering pump is going directly on top of where the water pump is, and then it's going over to an idler on the side over here, which is then going down to the AC compressor. Okay, so it goes around the AC compressor, and then it comes back up around the cooling fan, and then around the crank pulley, and then back up to where the tensioner is. Hopefully by me showing you exactly where the belt is going or being routed, you'll be able to put it back on. Now, it did want to kind of fight with me whenever I was trying to put it around the power steering pump, and then the alternator down there kept popping off from the tensioner pulley right here. So just take your time, get the tensioner as far over as you can, get the belt put on, and then go ahead and release the tensioner and let the belt tighten up. That's how you change out a tensioner on your 07 Nissan Titan with a 5.6 liter engine. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.